Sister Golf started in 2013. Very early on in my career, I was tasked with business development. And what I found was a lot of my male counterparts were making it look a lot easier than it was, because every Friday at 3 o'clock, they'd leave to go play golf. And then at the end of the month, they were exceeding their goals and I was barely meeting them. One of my male coworkers reached out to me and said, "Shella, you should join us. You should play golf with us so you can take advantage of the different opportunities that take place on the golf course." So I took him on and decided to learn to play the sport. Although my playing wasn't that great, I made so many connections, met so many people, and those connections quickly turned into referral sources, and in very short order, I went from struggling to meet my goals to exceeding them. It was at that point that I felt like I needed to share this with other women and let them know that they too could benefit from it and how it could really add to their success. That was the impetus for Sister Golf and how it all came about.
We were very excited to be a sponsor of Mayor Randall L. Woodfin's charity golf tournament, and Sister Golf was the organizer of that tournament. So one of our focuses at First Horizon under the umbrella of elevating equity is to make sure that we're extending access to capital and counsel for all of the members that are in our footprint. And so that includes women-owned businesses, minority-owned businesses, and Shella happens to be both a minority and a woman-owned business. So we're grateful that she's one of our longtime clients, and we want to do things that support her business out in the community. By us supporting the mayor, we also supported one of our clients through that relationship.
It is an annual charity golf tournament that benefits both Miles College, the Birmingham Promise, and other initiatives that the mayor has to better the community of Birmingham. So I've just been thrilled and humbled to be tasked with putting on that event of that scale and to have it be successful and to have it benefit moving Birmingham forward in a positive way.
Sister Golf is just one of the many here in Birmingham that promote equity. They promote the ability for opportunity, and they do it in a fun setting.
When women come to me and they say, "Shella, I played in my first corporate, scramble and it was fantastic," I feel very blessed to have sort of been on the forefront of leading the charge to get more women actively participating and taking advantage of all the benefits that the sport has to offer, both personally and from a business standpoint.
Being local is what our bank's about, and supporting local efforts and local charities and local opportunities to drive equity and elevate equity. That's something that was one of our pillars of what we do every day. Sister Golf is one of our partners. I couldn't be more excited about what they're doing in our community, and I'm so glad to have the opportunity to give back to them to help promote their resources so they can expand their reach.
The way that they support small businesses in this community has just been nothing short of awesome. So that has definitely been a help for me in terms of maintaining and growing Sister Golf. For so many years, we always hear about, in corporate America, there's the glass ceiling, but I've always said, well, how do you break the glass ceiling? And I say, with a 9-iron.